This is a story of the wildlife nature photography. The Dillydale magazine is expecting pictures of birds, and more birds. And so far, all we have is a picture of your rear end. I would have moved out of the way if I knew you were taking a picture. We need to be taking pictures of birds. Where can they be? Maybe if you didn't make so much noise. That's it. My patience has run out. Time for my secret weapon, and that would be my flamingo fan pipe. Do you really think that? Whoa. Hold that pose. It's a great shot. Say cheese. Oop, one more. You weren't smiling. I also promised the magazine a picture of the great Cape Buffalo. I mean, they're really big. You sure the magazine would be just as happy with a picture of a gerbil? If it's a buffalo they want, it's a buffalo they will get. Time for my other secret weapon. Oh no. My two-toned bamboo buffalo bagpipe. Oh well, too bad it doesn't work. Another great shot. Say cheese. I can't. I was talking to the buffalo. And now to get a picture of the great white alligator. Alligator, you didn't tell me we're looking for alligator. Not just any alligator, the great white alligator. It looks like I'll have to rely on my secret weapon. Oh boy. An all aluminum alligator whistle. Mr. Noisy. Mr. Noisy. Mr. Noisy. Oh, poopy. Well, I don't think we're going to be seeing any alligators today. Mr. Bump. As earned. You